like to know about how I can assist your business as a voice AI?
Yeah, I mean, just tell me generally, like, how can you assist my business?
Sure thing. I can handle various customer interactions like booking appointments, answering common questions, and managing support issues. This frees up your team to focus on more complex tasks. Plus, I can adapt my tone to match your brand style, whether that's friendly, formal, or casual. What kind of customer interactions do you deal with most often?
I mean, normally I deal with, I personally, I have this affiliate business where people do sign up using my referral link, and in return, I do provide them the support and give them this free snapshots. That funnel is white label training videos. Here, the entire Go High Levels white label training videos are there. Basically, that means one video is describing the conversation, one video is describing the calendar, the contacts, right? So that your users don't, I mean, you don't have to onboard each and every person. I mean, this funnel itself, you can use it in other snapshots, or you can just email to them, integration, dashboard, contacts, opportunity. Hey guys, I hope that all of you are doing great. In this video, you are going to find this AI agency snapshot, which is going to get you started with your AI agency, as well as like if you're just planning to add an AI agency as one of the solution, the Go High Level, you can do that because it has inbuilt websites, it has inbuilt funnels, it has inbuilt workflows, pre-done for you workflows, and the most important part is a voice AI that actually sells itself. Basically, the prompt is written within this AI agent that will actually sell itself. I'm going to show you the demo via the live test call, that particular voice AI agent. So basically, when you're trying to sell that voice AI, why should they opt for the voice AI? I mean, this snapshot will do the job for you. Basically, the website, let me just quickly show you. I mean, if I just walk you through, it has inbuilt funnels, as you can see, various kinds of funnels that you would need. It has various kinds of websites that you would need. It has various kinds of, I'm going to show you the inside of the website as well. And this is the automation for the workflows, right? And basically the workflows are going to handle all your appointments and everything like related, as well as this AI chatbot funnel, which is going to like depict the AI chatbot feature. And here within the AI agents, it has a voice AI that actually sells itself. And once you will see the demo, like it'll be super crazy. This is something like as if you're, let's say you're trying to sell a plumber. Within the call itself, the agent is going to tell them that I'm going to role play and depict to you how can I act as a voice AI agent for yourself. So tell me about your business. The moment that they tell them about the business, then they are going to say, okay, let's role play. Now I'm your agent, ask me the question. And she's going to tell them how as an agent she's going to behave. So amazing, right? And I'm going to depict to you, walk the talk is the best thing. So uh, let us just, I mean, quickly see the websites, and of course, like how do you get the snapshots, and apart from that, all the other snapshots, and that is going to come along with, in fact, 127 snapshot that you're going to get. So basically, this is a website, as you can see. I mean, you can just the home page, thank you page, booking page, checkout page, and within the page itself, let's say you wanted to edit, like just click the edit window and just change the logo, change the styling, right? And I'm going to suggest you one more thing that you should do within the home page itself. Either you give your number where they can test the voice AI that sells itself, because you want to walk the talk, right? When you're trying to sell a solution, show them the solution, or you just do a quick recording of that voice AI and show them the demo that on the video, it's put a video here itself that this is how the voice AI is going to work, this is how it is, and you want to test it yourself, call on this number. Or probably you can just insert, like, let's say, you can have various means via which they can test, live test it, right? So this is one of the website. Now before proceeding, like before I do that call for that voice AI agent, let me just quickly tell you how do you get this snapshot. Basically, this is not the only snapshot that you're going to get. You're going to get 127 plus snapshot plus one-to-one personal support with me via the WhatsApp group. Like I'm going to form a WhatsApp personal group with you, with my expert, and the complete onboarding call and the setup call and like all your questions, and like basically we are going to ensure that you, like, the initial kickoff call is going to be super amazing. Which is the website that you're going to do? uh, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. That will be on the top of the screen. Over there, either you sign up for the 30-day free trial using our link, right? Go High Level, or let's say you've already signed up, You can upgrade to the $297 plan. The link is there, or upgrade to the $497. These three are the major criteria. Are the things via which you can get this bonus as well as the entire snapshot. But let's say in case you have already signed up, right? In case you have already signed up, what to do? And you don't intend to upgrade, then all you have to do is just go to your agency settings and just put our code within the AI employee as AI bonuses, and that's it. Like, it doesn't mean your AI employee has been activated. It just means like you have put our code, and just email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We are going to ensure we send you 127 snapshot set, which includes this AI agency snapshot. Let me just quickly show you before I proceed with this, like how do you put the AI agency thing within the agency. Click on the settings, and here you click on the AI employee, and here you click on manage offers, and there within the FB reference just put AI BONUSES, AI bonuses. Remember, AI BONUSES, and click on apply. The moment you do that, after that, just email us at abdullahzahid.com, and we are going to ensure that we deliver you the entire bonus. In fact, we have just made a quick video, like before just a quick promotional video I have created for that sign up and for the support and the snapshot that you're going to get. Please watch the video, and after that we will just quickly begin with this AI agent depiction as well as like some more funnels. So just watch the video.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with a Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best, and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
So now you have watched the video. Let us just quickly again show you. Before I test the voice AI agent, how it is going to sell itself, let me just quickly show you. For example, you have this software only checkout funnel page apart from the website. This is a chatbot funnel. Here, what happens, like it actually asks the user for the details, right? Like their name, phone number and stuff. And this by default, like the moment that they submit it, by default, it calls the automation of like the workflow sequence of the AI chatbot. Apart from all the other automation, this is also one of the automations inside. As you can see, no show, appointment book, show but not ready. So many chat workflows are there. Similarly, this one, appointment booking AI chatbot, it actually sends the response to the chat GPT, and it asks the chat GPT to actually send a reply on their text message, and then based on that, like it will act as if ask certain questions from it, and then it keeps on doing the loop as if it is a AI chatbot. Like let me just quickly show you like how what kind of prompt is sent to the chat GPT in this by default within the snapshot. You are an appointment setter for this location, you are an agency, and this and that, your role is this is your tone, right? So this is how, like, and then the further, so all this is preset. You don't have to do much with this, as well as like one more amazing funnel. Let me just show you within this AI agency snapshot. That funnel is white label training videos. Here, the entire Gohighlevel's white label training videos are there. Basically, that means one video is describing the conversation, one video is describing the calendar, the contacts, right? So that your users you don't have to onboard each and every person. This funnel itself, you can use it in other snapshots, or you can just email to them, integration, dashboard, contacts, opportunities. Amazing, right? So this is white label. So basically anybody can use it the moment that they want. So now let us jump onto the last part, because like, of course, the entire workflow is there, funnels is there, website is there, in depth we can go. But as you can see from the top itself, you have seen. Let us just quickly show you the voice AI agent. That's what is going to impress our customers to take the AI employee services. And the prompt is pre-built in this. Once you get this snapshot, the prompt will be coming along with this. Let me just try to test the call. So this is the number. I'll just do the test call here. Did I receive the call? Hey.
Hey, you have reached Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. How can I help you today?
Hey, tell me about yourself, like as a voice AI or something.
Hey there. I'm Jenny, your AI assistant from Abdullah Zahid Enterprise. I'm here to show you how I can be a customized voice AI agent for your business. I'll help with customer interactions like booking appointments, answering inquiries, and more. Ready to dive in? Just checking in? Is there anything specific you'd like to know about how I can assist your business as a voice AI?
Yeah, just tell me generally, like how can you assist my business?
Sure thing. I can handle various customer interactions like booking appointments, answering common questions, and managing support issues. This frees up your team to focus on more complex tasks. Plus, I can adapt my tone to match your brand style, whether that's friendly, formal, or casual. What kind of customer interactions do you deal with most often?
Normally I deal with, I personally, I have this affiliate business where people do sign up using my referral link, and in return I do provide them the support and give them this free snapshots, which helps them a lot in their journey. And specifically we are focusing for the Gohighlevel and few top softwares.
Got it. So you're running an affiliate business where you provide support and a free snapshot to those who sign up using your referral link. You're focusing on Gohighlevel and a few top software solutions. I can help by automating the initial support interactions, answering common questions about these platforms, and guiding users through the sign-up process. This way, you can ensure consistent support while saving time for more personalized assistance when needed.
This is
How
nice.
does that sound?
This is nice. So let us just do the role play.
Great, Mike. Let's dive into the role play. I'll act as your voice AI assistant for your affiliate business. Here we go.
No,
Hello, and thank you for...
First of all, I would like to tell more about my business. Should I just tell you more about my business?
Absolutely, Mike. I'd love to hear more about your business.
Sure.
Please go ahead and share the details.
Sure. So basically, my website is abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where people can go and see the bonus. What kind of bonus do I provide? 127 Go High Level Snapshots template, where people literally happen to pay $14,000 plus for the entire snapshot set. But I'm offering it completely free for the people who sign up for the Go High Level or upgrade to the Go High Level using our link, or upgrade like to the higher $497 plan, or even if they, in case they just put our referral code in the AI employee, even then we are offering the entire snapshot set. But for the sign up people, I'm even offering one-to-one personal, even for the AI employee, I'm offering one-to-one personal support, which is through the WhatsApp group I form with me and my expert, and literally we help them get completely kick started and with all their queries, in fact do their setup as well. So that's it, and the rest of the information they can find at abdullahzahid.com/snapshot. So just wanted to give you the business details. So I hope you got it. So let us just start the role play.
Thanks for sharing all those details, Mike. It sounds like you offer an incredible value with your Go High Level snapshots and personal support. Let's jump into the role play now. Here we go. Hello, and thank you for reaching out to your business name. This is your voice AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Yeah, can you tell me about some bonuses that you guys are offering and stuff? And I was interested in signing up for the Go High Level, and then I just wanted to inquire about the bonus and what is the process with you guys.
Absolutely. When you sign up for Go High Level using our referral link, you'll receive a free snapshot template valued at over $14,000. This includes 127 Go High Level snapshots. Plus, if you upgrade to the $497 plan or use our referral code and AI employee, you'll still get the entire snapshot set for free. Additionally, we offer one-on-one personal support through a WhatsApp group with me and my expert team to help you get started and answer any questions. You can find more details on our website at abdullah.com/snapshot. Would you like assistance with anything else?
No, I think that's pretty good. So you are confirming all this, right? All these bonus, all right. So guys, this my call was set for just 5 minutes, so it just got hang up, but you got the idea how beautifully it is just selling itself for any kind of business. I just imagine the affiliate business I just mentioned them about, and similarly any plumber business, any real estate business, any kind of business. So guys, that was the test. That was the test call with the AI agent. Super amazing, right? Everything is aligning in place, guys, and I'm pretty sure this snapshot is going to help you, as well as this voice AI. This voice AI, basically you can copy this voice AI into your snapshot, into other snapshots anywhere. So entire thing, as well as white label onboarding video, you can copy it into other places. This is definitely going to be helpful. So please ensure that you guys, I'll be really grateful as well if you guys help me out with signing up using my referral link from the page abdullahzahid.com/snapshot. Either sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 plan, or upgrade to the $497 plan. And if you cannot do all these three things, you just go into your agency dashboard settings, AI employee, click manage offers, and just put our referral code FP reference is equal to AIBONUSCS, AI bonuses. Click apply and just email to us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We'll still send you the entire snapshots. Thanks a lot for watching the video completely. I wish you guys all the best. Bye-bye.